This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Forex Report with Scott Norse.
Good afternoon, traders. Scott Norse here with your Forex Report. Today is Thursday, May 15th, 2008. After a long day struggling with direction, the U.S. dollar really set the tone in late trading today. As the European session came to an end, the greenback made a strong run in the broad market, setting the stage for one final push ahead of the weekend. While we can't be certain that dollar bills will continue driving the currency higher tonight, daily charts on pairs such as the euro-dollar look very promising for the buck. The rally comes amid another string of dismal economic reports from the United States, including worse than expected weekly claims, Empire Manufacturing, and tick data this morning. This indicates that dollar bills are alive, well, and plentiful. We're used to periods of time in which the dollar will fall regardless of incoming data, but it is taking some time to get accustomed to the opposite. Furthermore, we must keep in mind that it's not all about U.S. numbers. Other G7 economies merely need to miss on a few key reports to cause a correction in high-perched currencies. On the technical front, the dollar looks like it's ready to rumble in the final 24 hours of the week. The euro-dollar tested 155.50 overnight and will now likely close about 100 pips lower on the day. This opens the door for another test of 154 and possibly even 153 handles before tomorrow's close. One caveat we feel obligated to mention, however, is that the pair is having a tough time keeping one direction for 24 hours straight. The pound dollar and dollar Swiss moved in line with the euro dollar for the most part today. This leaves the dollar Swiss poised to rally, albeit with strong resistance just ahead. The pound dollar is still in a very bearish short-term trend, but also having a tough time pushing through support near 194. The Aussie was by far the strongest currency today, leaving the dollar and other majors in the dust. Even with the buck gaining elsewhere, the Aussie tacked on more than 60 pips and a climb back to 94. The New Zealand dollar looked much weaker, and the CAD picked up only a few pips on the dollar, leaving dollar CAD still just above parity. Finally, the dollar yen traded a little bit to the downside today, leaving the pair to rest on its 100-day moving average near 104.75. Till tomorrow, have a wonderful night trading. Take care.